Welcome to Linda Z's. I'm Jen, and today I'm going to be showcasing the gorgeous Bernina 990. So let's talk about this fabulous throat space that we have here. A full 14 inches with 5.5 here. So just think about that massive king size quilt that you could do in here. In addition to the throat space that we have on here, we have this lovely 10.1 inch touch screen. So you can actually touch anywhere on here and find out anything you need to. Let's start with sewing. Sewing, these are our practical stitches here, and we see that we have many to choose from. We can go back and look at our decorative stitches. Within all of these folders here, we have more stitches. So you just have plenty to choose from here. We also have our fonts, which are located in here, and you can see there's all different selections to choose from. Plenty of buttonholes, not just 4 or 5, but we have quite the selection. And then, of course, we have our BQM files. So for those of you that didn't know that the Bernina 990 has these BQM files built in, those are long arm quilting stitches. So similar to what would be on the Bernina Q series, whether that's frame or sit down, these are quilting stitches. The Bernina 990 will read the XP, but also will read the BQM files, which is really something that is not available on lots of the top line machines. So let's go back and look at some of the other features that are on the screen here. We have all of the feet that are available, and there are a lot of accessory feet for Bernina. So what the system does is when you choose your stitch, it will tell you all the different feet that you can use. You have the foot selection here with the presser foot pressure. You can choose that. You also have your stitch plate. So I wanted to show you on the 990 how easy this stitch plate is to remove. So literally just snaps right out. You do have 3 stitch plates. So this is going to be our 9mm, and then we have our straight stitch plate here, and then we have our 5.5mm plate here. The sensor reads the different plates. So what's going to happen is right now it's telling us that we don't have a stitch plate on there, and then all of a sudden we have our 5.5mm. If I was to pop this off and put on the other stitch plate, it would recognize that. Here we have chosen a decorative stitch, number 1607. I actually want to see what this is going to look like when I stitch it out, so I'm going to show my camera so that I can see where this is going to be in real time and how it is going to stitch out on my fabric. Now, something else that's unique about this machine is the jumbo stitch, which allows you to go up to 500% bigger. So I want to show you guys what that looks like, because you might want to see what a jumbo stitch looks like when you do it. So here's the jumbo stitch, and if we want to just increase it by a quick 100%, we can really get an idea of what that's going to look like. And again, you can increase it slowly, or you can certainly increase it to so big that you can't see what the design is going to look like anymore. So that is something really cool. You can also change the length, and you can widen out that length. So you like the design, but you want to tweak it and make some changes, that's how you would do that. So we'll go back down to our regular 100%. You can see those are blue again, and they light up. Now, this is the Pinpoint laser on here, so you can see where that needle is going to drop right into the fabric, right where that red laser light is. So that is pretty cool too. You can also, if you want to change that position of the needle, that is here, and you can also widen out your width and your stitch length with these knobs if you didn't want to use the buttons within here. So I wanted to show you what that jumbo stitch looks like on the fabric. So we have blown this one up, I think, to 300%, but it would go up to 500%. So on here, this is a really small design, but you want to make it pop on your tea towel. You're going to really blow that design up and make it look better. You have an undo button here, which I was going to show you guys earlier, but that will just keep redoing everything and take you back to normal. So there are a lot of features and functions on this machine. The last thing I wanted to show you was, again, this easy touch screen here can show you everything in any category that you want. But the Help Center has been revamped and redone, and it is now broken down into 3 separate folders. Your Quick Start, which would be anything sewing related. Your instruction manual, that's going to be side by side, but it's really going to break it down into sewing and embroidery. So on the sewing side of things, if you wanted to just get free motion, you wanted to find out how to work that, how to do it, it will literally take you through the tutorials. It will tell you every button to press. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. So it really is that helpful. I think on the old Bernina tutorials, from what I understand, they did not have words, they just had icons. So this is a really nice way to listen to the machine and learn from other than just the manual. And then in here we have our consultant. The consultant will show you all different techniques. So before it used to be just pictures and you'd have to try to guess which one was the buttonhole. Now it actually says buttonhole. So you would go right in there and it would show you everything. What thread to use. If you're not using fabric lightweight, what are you using? Medium, then you would use a different thread. You would use a different bobbin. Now this machine has a jumbo bobbin. If you are a Bernina person, you know how important that is. These Bernina bobbins hold 70% more thread, so that is huge when you're working on big, huge projects. You can also get alerted on this machine when your bobbin thread is getting low. So there you would know when to change it. The changing of the foot, that's really easy too. We're gonna go from embroidery to sewing. So here's our plate coming out. Here is going to be our new plate that we are putting in. And again, that is just a quick little press down. And now we're going to change that embroidery foot out. So we're going to drop that foot and we're going to put in our new foot. And now we have on our sewing plate with our 5.5 millimeter and our 1C foot. But remember, we need to go up here to the 26, which was our embroidery foot. And then we're going to tell it to put on the 1C. So at the show, we are going to have some really fun samples to show you guys of what this machine can do. And this was one of them. We had our little tote bag with all of our tools in here. So we made little pockets and then we decorated it with some different stitches. And then we added a little ribbon to it so that we could tie that up. And then we have a little placemat here. We've got some quilting stitches here. We've got some embroidery here, and we chose a really dense design here to give you an idea of really some of the beautiful embroidery that can happen on these Bernina machines. But we're going to be showing free motion in the booth, and there's so much on the machine. We'd really love to have you buy one and come in with an educator and learn all the buttons and all the fun things that this Bernina does. This will be on showcase at the Fiber and Fabric Craft show that we're having at the Rosemont Convention Center. So this machine will be on display as well as the 790, which will be in the classrooms. If you haven't signed up for our classes yet, they are filling up. You can do that online. You can scan this QR code here and get free tickets to the show, as well as find out about all the different classes, and there is going to be quite a few. So you can check your times and try to time those so you can get in 2 or 3. But the ticket is definitely free. We would love to see you there. We are going to have a huge booth, just like this huge Bernina hoop that you are going to be able to use on this fantastic machine. It is 16 by 12. So for the first time ever, you're going to be able to do a quilt block right in your hoop. So again, come and see us over at that Fiber Fabric Show. We're looking forward to having a great big show here in Chicago finally. And if you guys come out and support, we'll be having it every year. So come see us. We have some great sales. We're also going to have Bernina accessories. They are going to be available online for you to order, and hoops. So thanks very much, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.